So this is the procedure of the experiment, effect of drugs on the dog BP and heart rate. So first, as you have already known, that is we have to do the experiment in the XPalm software. So first we have to click this button. Then for starting the experiment, we have to click here. This is the XPalm software. So now this section is, I think all of you view in my video. So here in the red line, this is the red line indicates your heart rate, that is beat per minute, and the black, this line, right side line, this one is indicates your blood pressure, that is mean of age, that is blood pressure. So first we have to select a drug. For example, we have to select epinephrine. You have to select epinephrine. The dose to be injected, as you have already shown in the video, that is dose to be injected microgram per kg. 2 means 2 microgram per kg of epinephrine we have inject. Okay. Then after selection of the dose, what we have to do? We have to inject the drug. Now the response is shown here. For epinephrine, this EP indicates epinephrine, 2 indicates the concentration of the epinephrine, that is 2 microgram per kg of epinephrine when we inject in the dog, then the response is shown here. Okay. Previously I told that the red, this line, line indicates your beat per minute, that is the heart rate, and this line indicates the blood pressure. Now I will select another drug, that is norepinephrine. Dose to be injected 3 microgram per kg. Okay. Now we have to inject it. The response is shown here. Okay. Again I will select isoprenaline. Dose 3 microgram per kg. By clicking this symbol, we have to increase or decrease the dose. So for isoprenaline, I will take 3 microgram per kg of isoprenaline and I will inject the drug. The response is shown here. Again I will take another drug, that is acetylcholine. Dose 5 microgram per kg, I will inject it. The response is shown here. This EP2 means, previously I told, that is epinephrine, 2 microgram per kg. ANU, that is norepinephrine. ANU indicates norepinephrine, that is the dose will be 3 microgram per kg. Isoprenaline, 3 microgram per kg of dose we will inject. Then acetylcholine, 5 microgram per kg of dose we will inject. Okay. Now I will take histamine. We have to select. I will select histamine. Dose 3 microgram per kg. I will inject it. The response is shown here for histamine. So in this way, we have to perform this experiment and measure the heart rate and BP for the drug, for different drugs on the dog. Okay. So after that, what we have to do? We have to measure this heart rate and this BP. Okay. By how we will measure the heart rate and BP? We have to just move the mouse pointer over the display, and that will help to measure the blood pressure and heart rate. Okay. So in this way we will perform this experiment.